In this video, we're going to show you how to create a product just like this from start to finish for your clothing brand. And this is crazy because this is not something you go get a t-shirt and you screen print it. This is completely custom cut and sew. And by the end of this video, we're going to let you know the manufacturer for this product, and we're going to let you know exactly how you can find more manufacturers just like this. E, what do you think? We're going to use this design.
I think whenever you're designing, one of the main things you want to do is have a reference point. Nothing is original, and everything you can spin off and make it better. So what we did is we found a jacket that we liked online. There was a Louis Vuitton one. It was similar to this colorway, and we made it our own with the after hours branding. I like it. I think it's gonna go crazy. And again, like what Rich was saying, it's not just a regular t-shirt. It's not just a hoodie. It's not just a blank that you just find it. It's something that's taken the extra step, the extra work. That way you can get that extra margin and that extra money. So
we are at the Magic. Where are we at? Sourcing at Magic. We're about to go find a manufacturer. We're gonna get this done.
So let's go check it out.
All right, so we're at Sourcing at Magic. We're about to find some manufacturers. As he like to say, hello sir, hello madam. You know, they all out here. But honestly, I don't know what I'm doing. But you real go to in his face. You know what you're doing. You know how to talk to them. I don't know as much, so I'm gonna pass it over to E. He's about to find this jacket for us so that we can get it manufactured. You ready?
Yeah. So whenever y'all walk in these shows, right, I got 3 tips for you. Number 1, ask every single question you got in your mind. There's no such thing as a dumb question. And all these guys out here, at the end of the day, they trying to get your money. So you have the right to go and ask questions. Number 2, walk down the booths as much as you can and just try to see as much as you can. Because the more you see, the more you're gonna experience and the more you're gonna be able to find the stuff that works for you. And the last thing you wanna do is don't try to reinvent the wheel. A lot of these factories, every single one of them specialize on certain things. So go find out what it is that they specialize in and see if that's what you want. So for us right now, we're trying to find the best varsity jacket. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna walk the booths, see the sample varsity jackets that they've already made, and then go from there. Guys, we walk in the shows, and this is one of the booths. They seem to have really good quality stuff. What you think, Rich?
Oh, this is fire, bro. What I do now?
Like, just so whenever you walk these shows, what you want to do is you want to see stuff that they've already made, and that way you don't have to reinvent the wheel. You can just change up the patches, change up the designs. But as you can see, the silhouette, the box, the cut, the quality of it, it's not something that's like another blank, right?
Nah, this is not another blank, and it's completely, you got your logo on it, it's completely private label.
How much do you think you could sell this jacket for, like if the brand was good, the story was good?
$150.
$150. At the, and you can go, you can go higher?
You can go lower, you can go higher, depending. If you want to move a lot of volume, you can definitely move a lot at $50, but like, you can probably go even $200-300 if you're going really premium. I mean, LV sells their jacket for $1,000 each, so.
Yeah. So like, what they do is, what you want to do is you want to go through these shelves and just kind of figure out like which colors, which silhouettes. They are customizable, but why don't you go down, Rich, and shop the shelf, shop what you like.
So E, this one's kind of similar to the one that we need, especially with like the way the sleeve is. So what do you think?
Yeah, I think it's cool. I think we can just change the colors to the way we designed it.
Okay.
But I like this. Let's get one of the reps over here. This is my guy, Alex, right here. Hi.
Hi.
Hey. He said he put that ish on, y'all. Is he dripping or tripping, Rich?
Man, he is dripping. Look at that jacket, man. Come on, what are you talking about?
Okay, so we'll wait. But normally with these guys, like this guy right here, as you can see, you know that's him. You see the ring, you see the diamond. He the boss. So a lot of the times you got to try to figure out who the boss is, and then they'll have sales reps or they'll have translators. So he don't really speak too much English, but his translator been helping me, and she's gonna help us come up with like MOQs and pricing and stuff like that. How much for this jacket? And what's the MOQs?
100 pieces.
100
based
pieces.
based on 100 pieces.
Uh-huh.
这个。Yeah. I must ask my boss. Yeah.
I told you, yeah, he check his jewelry. He the boss.
这个多少钱？
多少件呢
？100件。
这个差不多跟他说了，大概这30美金。看这个，
About 30.
他看这个绣花的
$30 for everything?
基本上在就是要看你这个绣花图案的多少啊。
$30 for everything. For all the patches and everything.
啊
with everything 所有的设计吗？
啊，对，所有的设计啊，
Yeah.
它是根据绣花图案帧数的多少来确定价格的。
The price is related to the details.
The details of the jacket.
Yeah.
So roughly, how much would this jacket cost?
30.
30.
Yeah.
So you guys see that? Rich, how much?
像这一件衣服基本上在30万帧左右，30万帧就是300K 帧数，看。
What do you say?
It depends on what you cut.
Yeah. He said the embroidery
depends on the
details.
designs.
Yeah.
And you could turn it into 300.
But just because you ain't got a big brand name yet, don't mean you gotta sell 300. You can still flip this at $100 and go
And
crazy.
still make $70. You go
So-
crazy because at $100 this quality, if somebody buys it from your brand, guess what? They're gonna reorder because they trust the quality and they trust the work.
So E, let's place an order. You
Let's
help
do
me
it.
out. I need translation
I got
on
you.
translation.
I got you. What you think about it?
This right here is hard, bro. This
As a designer, when you come to something like this, right? Where does your mind start going?
of all the things that I could create, like really the just taking the designs that we already got and just putting it on other items, just testing new things. I already went in
Other
designs.
silhouettes.
Yeah, basically taking a design that we already made that was super successful and probably putting it on a varsity jacket. That's probably gonna be the smartest thing to do.
What do you, Marlon, as the business guy, what do you think about the numbers and the possibilities on the business side of it?
Like I think it gotta make sense. Like right now, you already gonna need to know what your pricing is and what you're getting stuff from. And like Nick said, we looking to expand the product line. So I'm actually coming to find stuff that I don't currently have to get great pricing on. Like we just a couple minutes ago, we got some polos, and the great thing about it is sometimes they trying to work with you, so they're really willing to give you the best pricing possible. So he like, what price you want? I'm like, okay, since I'm gonna pick the price, I'm gonna go as low as I can, and then we can start negotiating from there. So putting yourself in position to win, because like when you on WhatsApp, you just hitting. It's easy for them to bust you over the head. But when you pull up and you here and you meeting with them, now you really have some negotiation.
You doing it in person. It's everything you doing online. All y'all Instagram people, y'all, it's like this, bro. You could shoot your shot in the DMs with an OnlyFans girl, but when you meet her at the bar, if you make that good impression, you're gonna go crazy. You might get a date. But if you just shooting the DMs, shit, you better be 6'5" and skinny with an 8-pack.
I look like Marlon.
I look like Marlon. There you go.
Vegas right now. We going crazy at sourcing, all right? If you not here, you missing out. Because I know y'all saw all these manufacturers. How do you think we're able to get product? Because we are at events like this. And if you're not at events like this, you're not putting yourself in position to get the best opportunity to have the best product at the best cost. Because cost is what you need to drive down your cost to give you more margin. Stop trying to charge your customer and go out and make some deals and get your costs lower, and you got instant profit inside your business. Come on, man.
Free game.
这就是我们会帮你们设计款式。
You know what's crazy is me and this guy have such a good relationship. I have no idea what he's saying and he has no idea what I'm saying. But we just whenever y'all come to these shows, right? A lot of y'all be overlooking the relationship aspect of it. You know what I'm saying? It's good to get good price, good quality and all that stuff, but at the end of the day, are you coming here wasting this man's time, or is the wire hitting? Are you doing good business? So I be joking with them, I be cracking jokes, but at the end of the day, like when it comes time to do the business, I'm all A1, and that's why I have these relationships. So don't just go out here doing whatever. Keep your reputation, keep your name A1, so that way wherever you go, people want to work with you. Free game. All right, guys, we stay giving y'all free game. We're going crazy. Rich, we just cooked up the craziest jacket. We're gonna make a sample of it. If you guys want this exact same factory, right? I shouldn't be doing this, but here you go, bro. Screenshot this.
Let them know where they can find more manufacturers just like this.
Gotta go on the Hustle Ninjas YouTube. Gotta go on the Superline page. You gotta go on the WRLDINVSN YouTube. And you gotta go come and check it out at Sourcing at Magic. We'll see y'all here next time.
All right, so, earlier we made a design. He told me to copy something. We did that for educational purposes. We cooked up a whole new one, and then we got the order placed in. E did the translation for me. We'll hit the translator. I needed all of that to be able to get the order in. Now we're gonna go cook something else. So what do you think?
Let's go check it out. Let's go walk the booths.
All right, there's some hoodies over here.